What's up guys, it's Caleb from Element Case, and today we're going to be unboxing the Vapor S, a precision CNC bumper style case with an aluminum front bezel and a polycarbonate back bezel. Vapor features our SLS screw lock system. The screws connect the front and back bezel to secure the phone in between. Anchoring into the aluminum increases retention and the strength of the hold. When screwing the Vapor together, be sure not to over tighten the screws. Vapor S features our fast tap buttons. Independent buttons allow the phone controls to work as seamlessly as they would without a case. The top, bottom, and sides feature our ergonomic Sure Grip design for a more comfortable and secure grasp. The case also features our front and back tabletop protection. The perimeter is raised above the front to keep the phone screen from coming in direct contact with surfaces, and the raised back bezel helps safeguard back glass and camera. Speaking of back glass, the glass backplate is included with the case. This provides you with the option of using the case either with or without the backplate. Vapor features internal drop shot corners, which are suspension and cushioning engineered to produce a perfect fit and provide shock absorption for superior drop protection. That's it for Vapor S. Thanks for watching. For more information, go to elementcase.com.